Hello and welcome. This is the part first of this video tutorial series in which I will show you how to make a 3D Earth like Google Earth for Android devices in Unity 3D. This is the final result that you are going to make. As you can see that when I press zoom in, the Earth zooms in and zooms out on pressing zoom out button. It will also rotate on swipe input from Android devices, which I can't show you here. And as we have already seen it on a previous part of this video tutorial series, we will start by making a new project. Go to project and select new project. Browse where you want to set up your project. And then make a new folder. Select it and hit create button. Now Unity will restart. This is our main camera and this is our game view, and let me just replace it beside console so that we can see in the game view when I move the camera, and we can see nothing because we don't have any game object here. Now I reset camera position to 000 and let me just add a sphere. This sphere will act as the earth. We can see it in the game view now. Add a light source and reset its position. I am renaming my sphere to earth for simplicity. When I move the gizmo, you can clearly see in the game view. Now I will add a cube, and this cube object will act as a background for our game. Let me place it behind the sphere. Now I will scale this up in the X direction and Y direction so that the background covers complete game view. Now when I move the camera in our game view, both background as well as our earth are moving. Make sure that the background completely covers the game view. I will rename my cube to background. I'm gonna make my background object child camera so that both will move in the same direction simultaneously. Switch to project. Now I'm gonna add texture to my earth and the background. This is the map of the earth, and now I will simply drag it to my project, or you can copy it directly to the assets folder of your project. Simply drag and drop it on the sphere. Now I'm gonna add stars to my background object. I'm going to drag it to my project folder. And simply drag and drop it on the background. Now when I move camera, both camera and the background will move together so that it will give the illusion that the earth is moving along z-axis.